Hey there. Welcome back to the channel where we have open, honest conversations about intimacy, relationships, and everything in between. Today's topic is one that's sure to get your attention. We're talking about sexual positions that can drive her wild. Positions that not only increase pleasure, but can also help create deeper connection and intimacy. We all want to feel that intense, passionate connection during intimate moments, right? Well, if you've been looking to spice things up in the bedroom, I've got some must-try positions that will make her moan hard, while making sure both of you enjoy every moment. Remember, intimacy is about mutual pleasure and communication. So let's dive into these positions with that in mind. 1. Communication is key. Setting the mood and discussing desires. Before we jump into the positions, let's talk about something incredibly important: communication. No matter what position you're trying, clear communication with your partner is key to making sure both of you are on the same page. Check in with her about what she likes, what feels good, and what turns her on. The more comfortable and connected she feels, the more intense her pleasure will be. Trust me, it's not just about technique. It's about creating a space where both of you feel relaxed and ready to explore. So, light some candles, play some mood music, and take the time to set the scene. Now that you've got the mood right, let's talk about those positions. 2. Position 1. The lean back lotus for slow, deep connection. Alright, let's kick things off with one of my personal favorites, the lean back lotus. This position is perfect for deep, slow connection. Here's how you do it. Start by having her sit on your lap, facing you. She wraps her legs around your waist, and both of you lean back slightly. This position allows for slow, sensual movement that feels amazing for both of you. Why does this position work so well? It allows for eye contact, which is super intimate, and it gives her control over the pace and depth of penetration. Plus, it frees up your hands for extra stimulation, so you can caress her back, thighs, or wherever feels good to her. She'll love how close and connected you feel in this position, and you'll love hearing those soft moans as things heat up. 3. Position 2, the deep doggy for intense pleasure. Next up, let's take things up a notch with the deep doggy position. This one's a classic, and for good reason. If you're looking for something that hits all the right spots and gives you deeper penetration, this is a must-try. To get into this position, have her on all fours while you kneel behind her. The key to making her moan hard in this position is adjusting the angle. Try placing a pillow under her hips to elevate her slightly. This will change the angle of penetration and can hit that sweet spot every time. Now, while this position is intense, remember to keep the rhythm steady and to communicate with her about what feels good. Use your hands to stroke her back or hips, and don't be afraid to vary the speed and depth. This is all about finding what makes her feel incredible. Trust me, with the right touch and rhythm, you'll be hearing those moans of pleasure in no time. 4. Position 3. The wraparound for close, passionate vibes. Now, if you're looking for something that's both intimate and passionate, you got to try the wraparound position. This one is perfect for couples who love feeling close and connected during sex. To get into this position, have her lie on her side while you lie behind her in a spooning position. She'll wrap one leg around your waist, giving you easy access and allowing for a deep connection. This position allows for deeper penetration, but it's also great for intimate moments because you can whisper in her ear, kiss her neck, and use your hands to explore her body. It's perfect for building that slow, sensual heat that will have her moaning with pleasure. Plus, the wraparound is great for those lazy, cozy mornings when you want something that's equal parts passion and comfort. Trust me, she'll love how connected you feel in this one. 5. Position 4. The butterfly for maximum stimulation. Last but certainly not least, we have the butterfly position. This one is all about maximizing stimulation, and it's perfect for getting her to moan hard with every thrust. Here's how it works. Have her lie on her back on the edge of the bed, with her legs bent and feet resting on your shoulders while you stand or kneel at the edge. The key here is to control the depth and angle of penetration, which will allow you to stimulate her G-spot and clitoris simultaneously. You can vary the speed, depth, and angle to create those intense sensations that will have her gasping for more. The best part? Your hands are free to stimulate her in other ways. Whether it's massaging her breasts, holding her thighs, or caressing her stomach, she'll love the intensity of this position, and it's almost guaranteed to bring out those louder, more intense moans of pleasure. 6. Wrapping it up, don't forget the most important elements. Now that we've gone through some amazing positions, remember that the key to making her moan hard isn't just about the position itself. It's about how you make her feel. The most important elements of great intimacy are communication, comfort, and mutual pleasure. Check in with her, ask her what she enjoys, and don't be afraid to experiment with what works best for both of you. Confidence in the bedroom comes from knowing your partner, respecting her boundaries, and making sure that the pleasure is shared. So, give these positions a try, and don't forget to have fun exploring together. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on intimacy, relationships, and pleasure. Until next time, stay connected, stay passionate, and enjoy every moment.